Oh yeah, we back with Subway with another one. We went and got the roasted chicken, and we got the veggies on it. The veggies on on an Italian roll with tomatoes and onions. Let's try that out. Mmm, nice looking sandwich right there. I don't think I never had a sandwich on an Italian roll before. It got a different taste to it. Yeah, overall, I give it 5 stars across the board. This is really good, and I was hungry. And you know, when you're hungry, you got to get something that's gonna satisfy your hunger. And this does it right here. Well, I give this Subway is pretty good. You know what? If you like my videos, y'all, please hit that like icon. And please subscribe to Mujahid72 on YouTube. As always, Mu says peace and blessings to everybody. I'm out, y'all. Peace.